Hello everyone, welcome to Tathastu ICS. My name is Trija Garg and I am here to talk about Pre-Shore 2025, which is Prelims Test Series for UPSC CSE 2025. Let us talk about Pre-Shore and what is it about and how will this actually help you. To give you an overview, if we talk about the Pre-Shore, we will be conducting 41 prelims tests which will include 11 full length का मतलब जैसे आपके prelims में होते हैं, similarly we will be conducting full length test here as well, okay, जिसमें 3 UPSC simulated tests होंगे for GS and CSAT. Then we will have 30 sectional tests जिसमें कि 6 करंट अफेयर्स होंगे सब्जेक्ट वाइज. सो आफ्टर एवरी सब्जेक्ट स्टैटिक पोर्शन वन टेस्ट विल बी डेडिकेटेड टू द करंट अफेयर पोर्शन. Then one test will be on budget and survey, which is very, very important as per the perspective from the prelims and economic section. Then 3 CSAT tests. So I would say 41 tests are enough for you to actually judge yourself, check the level of your preparation, evaluate, do self-assessment as well, and to see where you stand so that you can improve on the areas which require improvement. We don't call them weaknesses. Either you have strengths or you have improvement areas. Okay, if you're not working on your improvement areas, then it becomes a weakness. That is what I always believe in. So if we talk about test days, the test will be on Sunday, Wednesday and Sunday. It could be different subject to the holidays. Okay, so we'll be beginning on 10th of November. Let us talk about this. Before you actually get into the tests, get into the zone of tests, first we will have 10 special classes which are designed to enhance your multiple choice questions. You know that if we go back to the UPSC pattern, हर क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न डिफरेंट होता है, द अप्रोच इज डिफरेंट. यू विल बी टॉट द अप्रोचेस टुवर्ड्स ईच क्वेश्चन और ईच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऑफ एवरी सब्जेक्ट इन दीज 10 days. तो सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्लासेस होंगी आपकी जिसमें आप सीखेंगे कि एमसीक्यूज को सॉल्व कैसे करना है. ओके, दीज क्लासेस विल एम to equip you with the strategies, the tips, the insights, okay, so that you can enhance your performance and the accuracy in the final test. Now, for example, how to understand quickly the question. You know that if we talk about GS1, 100 questions होते हैं. Now in 100 questions आपको मिलता है 2 घंटा, 120 minutes. तो आपको कम से कम अगर हम डाउट वाले क्वेश्चंस हटा दे तो आप मतलब 50 सेकंड्स 40-50 सेकंड्स में आपको ट्राई करना है कि आप एक्यूरेटली जो है अच्छे से आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दे ताकि बाकी टाइम आप डाउट वाले क्वेश्चंस को भी दे पाए. यू कैन गो बैक, रीविजिट, कलर द बबल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. तो उसके बारे में बात करें तो सबसे पहले आपको सिखाया जाएगा इसमें कि कैसे क्विकली हमें कॉम्प्रीहेंड करना है क्वेश्चन, कीवर्ड्स और क्लूज को कैसे ढूंढना है, एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक्स जहां पर भी यूज हो सकती है कैसे करेंगे. देन देयर इज सर्टेन अप्रोचेस. फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज अ नॉलेज अप्रोच कि नॉलेज अप्रोच के साथ हम कैसे करेंगे, कैलकुलेटिव गेस कैसे करते हैं. बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स आपको सिखाई जाएंगी एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ नैरोइंग डाउन choices. For example, there are 4 options, तो उसको हम narrow down कैसे करेंगे, choices को narrow down कैसे करेंगे, वो भी हम सीखेंगे. So we will basically equip you or train you in solving the UPSC prelims 2025. तो पहले आपको सिखाया, so first we are teaching you the techniques, then we will test you, which will enhance your performance more, and in the final day you will be less anxious. You will be able to handle the most difficult questions and everything very easily. Now, besides these classes in the test, you will have access to PYQs topic wise. So you will be given a set of 3000 plus PYQs which are tailored topic wise for each subject, and this will be available on our LMS portal, that is the Learning Management System portal of Tathastu ICS. So you will be given a login ID. आप उसमें login करके PYQs भी solve कर सकते हैं. Then we have current affairs notes. So आपको करंट अफेयर्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इस साल भी अगर आप देखेंगे 2024 में बहुत क्वेश्चंस करंट अफेयर्स से आए थे, एनसीईआरटीज के अलावा भी. तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो इसमें आपको 1.5 years की हम करंट अफेयर्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे. देन यू विल ऑल्सो हैव अ बुकलेट फॉर कंफ्यूजिंग टॉपिक्स. देयर आर सर्टन टॉपिक्स विच आर अ बिट कंफ्यूजिंग इन ईच सब्जेक्ट. लाइक आई एम एन इकोनॉमी फैकल्टी, सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द इकोनॉमी, मनी मल्टीप्लायर, मनी इन बैंकिंग, एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर यूपीएससी CSE prelims, I would say. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. ऐसे ही नेशनल इनकम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हो जाता है. बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे कंफ्यूजिंग होंगी. तो इन कंफ्यूजिंग टॉपिक्स की विल गिव यू बुकलेट सो दैट इफ दीज टॉपिक्स कम इन prelims you are equipped with it and you have a better understanding as well. Now let us talk about the highlights of the program and how this is going to help you. So, one, we will cover your prelims comprehensively and holistically. There will be no topic on which you will not be tested. सारे topics covered होंगे. 41 tests as I told you, sectional and full length including, based on the latest UPSC CSC pattern. Then we have special test of 10 classes. So as I told you, you will have third eye classes to open your third eye, I would say. So 10 classes we will have, in which we will equip you and train you with all the tips and strategies which are necessary to crack this exam. Special booklet for confusing topics. You will have current affairs, test subject specific after every test. You will have access to offline and online post-test analysis, discussion and doubt clearing sessions with the faculty members. Then answer key and question-wise explanation will be given to you for every test paper. 1.5 years of current affairs notes will be given to you. We have designed the schedule of test series very thoughtfully, because this will give you time to revise, give you time bound preparation also, will give you discipline also. You will get acquainted or accustomed to the environment of testing yourself, because you know what happens is, अगर हम बस जाते हैं prelims में test देने के लिए और हम उस environment से acquainted नहीं है, तो उस दिन ना थोड़ा सा anxious feel भी करते हैं, थोड़े stressed out feel करते हैं. तो that is something that you will not feel after going through such a rigorous schedule and a testing schedule. Then you will have a personalized assessment system, LMS, and performance analysis will be given. All India rank performance will be given on the LMS portal itself. Okay, so if we talk about the sectional timings, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. will be the sectional test time. Okay, and then you have FLT, that is the full length test, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. 2 hours test. Okay, test discussion will be live and immediately after the test. So always remember, prelims, this pre-short test series 2025 will remain valid until your prelims 2025. Okay, everything will be given to you. Current affairs will be in your soft copy. Question answers and everything will not be dispatched to you. Okay, not in the hard copy. These are certain notes that will be given to you. You can download this PDF in the description as well to know about the pre-short test. Now this is we will give you a proper schedule. Now in the schedule, we will have the date and the day. Okay, then we will have the subject, the number of questions that will be asked, the topic that is covered, and what you have to study. Detailed points are given to you. So we will begin on 10th of November, Sunday, polity. Okay, then the next test will happen on Wednesday, then Sunday again, then Wednesday again, Sunday again, Wednesday again. Okay, then first we will cover your polity. If you see here, all the topics are extensively covered. Okay, before polity, see, in the revision topics, basically we'll focus on the current events in the development. So as I said, after every static portion of the subject, one test will be focused on current affairs and the current development, which will revise overall the subject. So then after polity, we will have history. Okay, history will be covered. These are the sectional tests first. Then geography. These are the important subjects for UPSC CSC. Then we have environment, extremely important again for prelims. Here, this is better. Then we have economy. Okay, everything will be covered from basic concepts till everything. Nothing will be left. Okay. Then you have science and tech. Polity current affairs, history current affairs, geography current affairs, another test only dedicated to current affairs as well. Then we have science and tech current affairs, as we said, 6 current affairs tests. Then we have economic survey and the budget test as well. Okay, and then we will have CSAT test. One we will have for reading comprehension, 50 marks, logical reasoning 50 questions. For logical as well, 50 for RC, that is the reading comprehension, and quantitative aptitude as well. Then we will have all India simulator test. Okay, in this the number of questions will be 180, that is, first you will have the GS1, then you will have the CSAT 100 for GS1, and for CSAT, that is GS2, you will have 80 questions. Okay, full proper UPSC syllabus will be covered here. First test will be on Monday 31st March, then on 20th April Sunday, then 4th May Sunday another test. So 3 simulator tests. Now we've given all these sources also in the end, that what sources you have to cover to actually required to revise and crack this exam. Now if you see, you will be prepared by 4th May. Your exam is on 25th May. Every week you will have 2 tests. right? Now you have other time to revise, work on your improvement areas, and strengthen your strengths more. So these are the things that will help you actually answer accurately, properly manage your time, do the risk management, everything to crack prelims exam 2025.